4800 dispatch. I'm 10-8 off that last stop.
Dispatch SF6.
Oh man, not this guy.
I need to be around to the hospital. Stick with this tear.
4800 dispatch. Be out with a white male. Old Munson Road. Riding a lawnmower. Looks like appears to be signal 98.
Pull it over, Steve. Stop the lawnmower.
Dispatch SF1.
Out of town and over the hill.
Hey! Hey man, turn the lawnmower off!
Come on, man.
Steve! Right. How many times I gotta tell you you can't be driving down the road drinking on a lawnmower?
I'm just going down to the oyster shack, man. Come on.
Well, put your cigarette out, man.
39.
Can I finish it?
Put your cigarette out. Step off.
God dang it, man.
Your tow truck just passed the school zone.
Pour your whiskey out.
I just got this.
Pour it out.
9549.
I'm just going down to the oyster shack, man.
Pour it out now.
You know what, man? I'm not doing anything wrong. I know my rights. No, I'm not going to jail today. I'm not down.
Man, put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hand. Steve.
No, I'm not doing anything wrong.
You're fixing to get lit up, Steve. Steve, you're fixing to get tased.
I didn't do it.
I'm serious, Steve. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on.
I'm not going. Ah! Shit! God damn it! Oh God!
Hands behind your butt.
I think I crapped my pants. Oh, God, don't do that again. Please. Jesus Christ, man.
I told you, man.
I didn't do it.
I told you.
Do it.
I told you. You ready to get up? You gonna get up nice and slow, you hear me?
God. I know my rights.
Come on. I told you.
I know. God dang it! God. I know my rights. I know my rights. I know my rights.